Hazur, this question is going to be based on verse number 34 of Surah Al-Baqarah, which is chapter number 2. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala ya Adamu anbihum bi asma'ihim. Falamma anbahum bi asma'ihim qala alam aqul lakum inni a'lamu ghaiba as-samawati wal ard wa a'lamu ma tubduna wa ma kuntum taktumun. The translation is, he said, O Adam, tell them their names. And when he had told them their names, he said, did I not say to you, I know the secrets of the heavens and of the earth, and I know what you reveal and what you conceal.
Huzur, could you kindly explain to us what were those names, and were the angels in this
There are various commentators who have mentioned different possibilities, because al-asma has not been fully defined in the Quran. So the different interpretations can be told to you in answer. One of them is that asma are those attributes of God which do not concern angels, maghfirat, etc. Angels do not commit a sin, so they don't know God is Ghafoor Rahim. They only knew from their personal experience with God that he had many attributes, but not those which were particularly related to humankind, who could do good deeds or evil deeds. Some people consider asma to be the attributes of God, as I have explained. The others say that asma are the name of the great prophets who were to be born from the progeny of Hazrat Adam. And angels had no idea, but they had only one idea, that if Adam was sent, then there will be bloodshed. So, what does it mean, bloodshed and asma? The two points to be remembered in this regard. First of all, asma should be taken as prophets of God who will be born out of the progeny of Hazrat Adam. And secondly, bloodshed there would be, but at their cost, at the cost of the prophets. The prophets will not raise their sword to convert others, like Hafiddin that has just been discussed. So these are two important interpretations which, when told to angels, they accepted their ignorance and praised God for His greater number of attributes and His decision to create some beings in the world who would be tested according to their actions.